Rest is a radical act of strength and not laziness. Trust me, rest is productivity. Welcome to day 7. Our culture tells us that resting is lazy. Yes, I'm an African, and that's something that Africans believe. Once you are resting, once you're sleeping, there's something not too right with you. But stillness is healing. Depression often makes you feel stuck. Or maybe, just maybe, you're in a sacred phase. Maybe you're just in a place where your body needs to revamp, revive, renew, refire, refresh. Rest is productivity. Yes, it is. Okay, so I had to change it up today because I am heading out right now and I am not even going to wait for you to tell me. So your reflection for today is, how can you differentiate between rest and avoidance? Because that's something a lot of people have problems with. You're trying to know, how am I, what's the difference between being at rest and avoiding something? Think about it and then send your response in the comment section. What's the difference between rest and avoidance? Please comment. Make sure you comment in the comment section. Like, I have so much energy in me right now just because I have had time to rest and I'm heading out for another lovely time. Okay, so your task is to take 15 minutes today to rest intentionally. I don't know the day you are seeing this, even if it is the day that the world is about to collapse. Please take out 15 minutes to rest intentionally. And I have a video on 50 ways to take a break. Like, I have put it together, 50 different ways that you can take a break. So why are you not taking that break? You're taking that break right now. Yes, now. After you have shared with us what exactly the difference you think the difference is between rest and avoidance. Thank you for staying with us. Have you joined the community? Oh, trust me, in the community we're holding each other accountable for all-round wellness, with the 8 metrics for wellness. Thank you. See you.
I know this video has been of help to you. Encourage us by clicking the like button. Also share with your loved one and click the notification bell. Subscribe for more info.